Hello, welcome. Alright, so in this video, I'll be explaining how you can link your offline bootstrap because so many people come to my DM to ask me that how do you link your offline bootstrap. So this is how you do it. If you are using your phone, you just search for bootstrap. Okay, so you wait for it to load. Okay, so now you click on download. Okay, it's redirecting me because I have the bootstrap app installed, so it's not compulsory. If you don't want to install it, you can just download it from Google or Chrome or whatever browser you are using. Okay, so I'm going to click on download. Okay, so it's downloading. Yeah, so I just downloaded the recent version. Let's open it and see. That's version 5.13. So I'm going to extract this. I'm going to extract it. Okay, so here it is. Okay, yes. So once I've downloaded it. Let me go back and quickly show you the process. Alright, so this is it. I came here, I click on download. So if you notice, I click on this download and not this download, because this one now I just need only the CSS and JavaScript. But coming down here, downloading the source, it means I'm downloading documents and other things that I will not be needing. So it's this download that I've clicked on. So now after downloading and on extracting my file, it comes in a zip form and you have to extract it. So now I'll come to my SPCK now. So this is the part where it gets tricky. That's to link bootstrap to your SPCK editor, because sometimes the files is not supported. You have a lot of issues importing it into your SPCK editor. So I just find a way in which you can do that. That's you can also import it as a zip file, then it will help you to like unzip it in the SPCK editor. But you have to be very careful with this process, so just follow through and watch carefully what I will do. So I'll click on this plus button here. I'll click on import zip. So I'm going to import this zip file here. I'll click on OK. Alright, so I have this, but I have to change the name. I'll rename this. Let's call this offline bootstrap. Okay, 2. Okay, so I've called it offline bootstrap now. So I'm going to create my HTML part. Index.html. Alright, beautiful. So now I would link my bootstrap. Let me give this a title. So this should appear here, offline bootstrap. Okay, so I'll give this, I'll link my link elements. So this is how I'm going to link my bootstrap. Just watch me carefully so that you don't make mistake. /, I'll click on this bootstrap part, click on /css / it's not bringing out anything. You notice what's happening? This bootstrap is duplicating itself. So I'll just come here from this /, I'll just delete everything here like this. Okay, I deleted that if you want to. Okay, so this is what I want to delete. So it's now starting from bootstrap. So I'll come here, I'll remove this slash, I'll put it again. So now it's giving me options to choose from. It has to give you all these options. So I'll choose bootstrap mini CSS path. Click on it. So it duplicated itself again. You have to be careful. I'll just go back and remove it. Beautiful. So now I'm going to add my JavaScript part. Dot bootstrap part slash, let's remove this dot. This thing is quite sensitive of everything. JS, let's go back and remove this. I just hope we are following and understand what I'm doing, because this is like, should I say it's a trick? I don't know, because it's very difficult to link offline bootstrap to SPCK editor. So let me just say this is a trick. Most times we end up using online bootstrap, so that's to avoid all this stress. But this one, I think if you don't have data, you can still work with bootstrap. So I'm going to click on bootstrap mini JS. So that's duplicated again. I have to remove it. Beautiful. I think we are all good. Let's check bootstrap JS mini JS. Okay, so now let's check if this is working. Let's create a paragraph. I'm going to write something here. Hello. Okay, hello. So now in bootstrap we work with class, but I'm not going to discuss that in details. It will be in the next video. So class. So this class now, I want this text to be in the center. So this is how I write it. Instead of using CSS where you have to centralize, you have to justify content, align items, margin, all those things. Just do text center. So let's see. Yes, our text has moved to the center. That's to show us that we have successfully linked our bootstrap. Okay, I'm quite excited because I've tried this thing and I had to like think what will work. So text center. Okay, so now let me give it a color. I'll say text yellow. No, if you say text yellow, it will not work. It will not work because in bootstrap you don't use yellow, we use warning. Don't worry, in the next video you learn how all these things works. Warning. I hope my spelling is correct. Yes, so this is a yellow color appearing. So if I want it to come down a bit, I can give it a margin top of 5. So you see my text came down here. So bootstrap is really fun. It saves you all the CSS stress. So this is how you link your offline bootstrap. Thank you so much.